Yo, 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 what's up, my prójimos? This is Luis el Apóstol Feliz here, coming at you guys with another review. This is, I got these back on Saturday, but since I couldn't do a review on a Sabbath, I decided to do it 2 days later. So what we have here is a Matchbox working rigs, GM drop flow in FedEx delivery in this generic style garbage truck. So we're gonna start with the GMC. So here you can see up front you do have your headlights right there. You do have here your FedEx logo right here. That little dot, I think it's for forward-facing camera. Now, coming to this side, I do love the fact that they did add mirrors. It says FedEx Express there. Now check out the tires. I think these kind of look like steely wheels, but they're more aerodynamic. And check out that door. That door is a dandy. You do have like a little green thing here. I don't know what that is. So if you guys know what that is, let me know. You do have your FedEx Express logo. You do have here the little, I don't know what this is. This is more like an outline there to signify that it is electric. You do have here your charge port door. And I like the fact that this is gloss black. Kind of like a seal extension, more for aerodynamics. Now, coming to the back here, you do have your painted tail lights, your green door, your handle. This would be on a real truck, a roll-up door, but since it doesn't roll up, it just opens like that. And check out the inside, y'all. That is awesome. Now you close it. I don't want to scratch the... There we go. And then check out the top. You do have kind of like a beacon light or something. And this is like more like a speaker, but it's not color coded. So I am going to have to zonk that. But you do have here your clearance lights. And you do have here kind of up top your simulated clearance lights. So here I'm going to show you guys the bottom. You do have kind of your normal Matchbox wheels. Now, just like Level M Diecast didn't like the fact that these wheels are, they've added these wheels rather than adding ones from the working rigs. I absolutely dig these wheels. They're not squeaky. They're not as squeaky, but I like them. And you do have here your mirrors painted in this. All this is kind of gloss black here. And I like this kind of design. So here we have the garbage truck here. So this is made by Adventure Force. I love the way it looks. I do like the fact that you do have kind of a clean palette to customize your DOT striping. I am gonna have to zonk something though. What's going on? There's no interior. There is really no interior. I kind of wish Adventure Force adds interior details here. And I'm also going to zonk the fact that there's no headlight print. So, but you do have kind of like your simulated grille right there. Your black bumper with your license plate. This area here needs to go. I would have liked this to have the same design as here. But I do like the fact that these lines, these riveted lines, look good. Just like I did with the yellow one, I am going to have to zonk something though. Nothing's perfect. There's no working features on this garbage truck. Afraid almost $1 models. This needs to have an opening rear hatch, an opening tailgate. Because how are you gonna put a little some garbage into it? I just would have liked seeing a working back here, but check out the back. The looks rather detailed. You do have your fuel tanks there, your steps. Now, this is not based on a real life, this is not officially based on a specific real life twin. I'm gonna bring the yellow one here to kind of show you side by side comparison. I like this area here. I love this one. Has a recycling logo here, and this one here you do have some writing there. No recycling logo there, which is kind of a bummer, but but you do have here, these don't have interiors nor working features. So there you guys have it. There you all have it. Just a simple review for Monday. I hope everybody loves these videos. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. And before I end, I want to make a special shout out to my nephews, Cache and Juventino. And I hope you guys really are digging these videos. So there you guys have it. In conclusion, these models look great, especially if you're gonna give them to like a little kid. Now, are they perfect? No. You know, there's still some room for improvement for the garbage trucks that Adventure Force makes. I would have liked seeing interiors and some working features in the back. And for a $1 model, this needs to be all metal. But hope you guys really enjoy it. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. Luis Urbieta, el apóstol feliz, saying, woohoo! Keep collecting.